Hey everybody, Bradley Hasemeyer here. Wait, no, don't stop the video. It's just me hanging out the track, spending the day, test driving some cars. Today, the Acura TLX takes on the BMW 330i. Now, when it comes to performance, no one does it better than an English export, more popular than fish and chips, Catherine Legg.
Here you go. I bought you a helmet because I think you might need it.
I'm gonna need this.
That was quite an intro.
Oh, thanks. Yeah.
Can we see whether I live up to that introduction?
Let's give it a shot.
Okay.
All right.
Get in the car. You're ready to go?
Ready to go. I trust you.
I love that everything is accessible and self-explanatory.
A car is more than just easy to use. It should be fun to drive. Well, it is a V6, so it's a bigger engine, which means it's going to weigh a little bit more, but it's 9 speeds. So let's see if you can get through all 9 on this straightaway.
Challenge accepted. The thing that I cannot stress enough against its most closest competitor is it takes off from the line like a bat out of hell. I
think the precision all-wheel steer. That to me is what's so impressive. What that is essentially the rear wheels towing in or towing out to help bring the car around. Something that you get a lot of times in cars is understeer or oversteer. Neither are good.
So, do you know what the last thing we're going to try is? Feel the handling. I love it. Feel the power, feel the handling.
It really is so impressive. It's not all-wheel drive, and yet it still has that. And that's because it's standard. Oh my gosh. You're supposed to tell me when you're going to do that. You guys seen the way this girl drives? Unbelievable. All right, here we go. BMW. Let's see what you got. All right. Yeah. All right, so as for the BMW, look, it's a great car. It's German engineering. It's got such pedigree. It's a little small for my tastes. It's a little bit louder than I would expect, honestly. The interior's fine. The seating position feels like I'm all over the place, like I'm sliding. I want to feel firm and secure in the seat, and I don't necessarily feel that. All right, so when it comes to the BMW, it's a fun car. It drives really well. The engine, I wish it had a little bit more power. And get this, neither LED headlights or a sunroof comes standard. That's something you would expect in a luxury car. However, with the TLX, you do get LED headlights and a sunroof standard, as well as 2 screens in the center console, one for your nav and one for audio. You can also get, in the TLX, an optional wireless charger for your phone. These guys are thinking tech. I like that. The TLX also offers active sound control, not something you find on the BMW. This essentially means when I turn on my music, I don't have to worry about the external noise outside of my car. I can just rock out in here. If you need to back up for any reason, the multi-view rear camera comes standard. BMW only gives you one view. Let's talk a little bit more about the safety and driver's assistance you get with this car. The TLX has Acura Watch, which means you're getting collision mitigation braking, lane keeping assist, road departure mitigation, and adaptive cruise control. All of those features are either optional or not even available for the BMW. And the TLX has a 5-star government frontal crash safety rating, whereas the BMW only gets 4 stars. All right, so the BMW 330i, pretty good car, and the 3 Series is essentially a benchmark in this category. But when it comes to the craft of performance, the TLX offers a laundry list of standard features that you don't get on the 330. You want me to pay more for something I should get standard? I don't think so. And that's one of the reasons that Consumer Guide Automotive awarded the 2018 TLX a Best Buy award. And just when you thought the TLX couldn't get any better, Acura went and brought their A game. What does that sound? TLX A-Spec version, the ultimate expression of sport design. So that's what I think, but what about you? Head to Acura.com to make your own decision. Oh, I gotta take this. Yeah, hey, no, that's billion.